Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the composite GFRP I-shaped beam. Here we model the half of the geometry because of the symmetry condition, and then we have here a steel fiber reinforced self-compacting concrete. This is the uh, steel fiber reinforced self-compacting concrete slab here, and we use material data from the paper for this uh, slab, and then we did the shear test or push out test like this. Here you can see the separation which is happened between two model. We use cohesive interaction between the surface of the slab and the composite as the GFRP. Let me check, for instance, the tension damage, and then click on animate. See, we push the GFRP beam, then the tension damage happened. After that, cohesive interaction failed in some area, but it is still remain here. And this is the final view. See that? Let me make it feature edge. See the separation and use view ODB mirror XY to have the full view. See, this is the full view. You can see it here. The damage initiation happened, and this is the final view, and separation happened here. And we can check stiffness degradation for self-compacting concrete, stress for both parts here. See, you can check ACL happened in some areas. See, but we need to check it. At the connection zone happen. And also you can check the plastic strain like this, displacement or anything else. Also we can use reaction force. For instance, this is the reaction force for this displacement. Over this time we have 0.15 meganewton, and this is the displacement. The displacement is about uh, here 10 here 10 millimeter at total, but we can increase that. In the implicit method, we will get many not convergence, but we should let the Abaqus to handle that. See here, the separation happen almost cohesive interaction failed, and if we keep the simulation here also failed, and that means full failure. So if you need to provide this tutorial, you can come to our website here, abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial, click on the title, then you will have the geometry definition, introduction as to interaction load, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CAINP English video and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have a full package here containing 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling in Abaqus. And if you provide this package, you will be a master in this field. It covers everything, you know, like explosion with all methods for all the materials, impact high and low for all the materials, welding all types, biomechanics, forming correct soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure model, fire analysis, cyclic loading, seismic model, masonry, steam method, pull-out tests, composite material, concrete structure, steel structure, seismic loading, electromagnetic, or anything. The cost for this full package is 230 euros. And if you want to buy it, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.